Crash Course on Virginia, USA. Geolocation. Virginia is located on the east coast of the United States. It is bordered by the states of Maryland, West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, and the District of Columbia. The state is also known for its coastline along the Atlantic Ocean. Capital. The capital of Virginia is Richmond, which is also its fourth largest city. Population. As of 2021, the estimated population of Virginia is approximately 8.6 million residents, making it the 12th most populous state in the United States. Economy. Virginia has a diverse economy, with sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, technology, defense, and tourism playing significant roles. The state is home to numerous Fortune 500 companies and has a strong presence in the aerospace, defense, and biotechnology industries. Education. Virginia boasts a strong education system, with renowned universities and colleges such as the University of Virginia, Virginia Tech, and George Mason University. The state has a commitment to education and is known for its high-quality schools and research institutions. Brief history. Virginia has a rich history dating back to the colonial era. It was one of the original 13 colonies and played a crucial role in the American Revolution. The state also witnessed significant events during the Civil War and is home to many historical landmarks and battlefields. Cultures and politics. Virginia has a diverse cultural heritage influenced by Native American, European, African, and Asian cultures. The state's cultural landscape includes music, art, literature, and cuisine. In terms of politics, Virginia has a mixed political landscape, with both Republican and Democratic influences. Interesting stories, examples. 1. Historic Jamestown. Jamestown, located in Virginia, is the site of the first permanent English settlement in the Americas. Visitors can explore the historic fort, learn about the early colonist struggles, and experience living history demonstrations. 2. Colonial Williamsburg. Williamsburg is a living history museum that recreates an 18th-century colonial capital. It offers interactive exhibits, historical reenactments, and tours, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the colonial era. 3. Shenandoah National Park. Located in the Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah National Park offers breathtaking views, hiking trails, and opportunities for wildlife spotting. Skyline Drive, a scenic road that runs through the park, is a popular attraction. Top 12 attractions in Virginia. 1. Mount Vernon. 2. Arlington National Cemetery. 3. Monticello. 4. Virginia Beach. 5. Colonial Williamsburg. 6. Shenandoah National Park. 7. Luray Caverns. 8. Jamestown Settlement. 9. Chincoteague Island. 10. Virginia Museum of Fine Arts. 11. Natural Bridge State Park. 12. Assateague Island National Seashore. In summary, Virginia is a state with a rich history, diverse culture, and natural beauty. From historic landmarks to scenic landscapes, it offers a wide range of attractions for visitors to explore and enjoy. Poem. In Virginia's embrace, history comes alive. From Jamestown's settlement, the nation did thrive. With Monticello's beauty and Mount Vernon's grace, the echoes of the past can still be traced. Williamsburg streets, where colonial tales are spun. Arlington's hallowed grounds, where heroes are won. Shenandoah's mountains, majestic and grand. Virginia's wonders, a nature lover's dreamland. From the sandy shores of Virginia Beach to Chincoteague's wild ponies, within reach. Luray's mystical caverns, a subterranean maze. Each attraction leaves us in awe and amaze. Virginia, a tapestry of cultures intertwined, where diverse voices and histories find a place where traditions and arts unfurl, a testament to the beauty of the world. Song. Verse 1. In Virginia's land, where legends are born, the spirit of history is forever sworn. From Richmond streets to the Shenandoah's embrace, Virginia's treasures, a captivating space. Chorus. Oh, Virginia, your beauty knows no bounds. From mountaintops to coastal sounds. In every corner, a story to be told. In Virginia's embrace, hearts unfold. Verse 2. From Monticello's heights, Thomas Jefferson's pride, to Arlington's somber grace, where heroes reside. Williamsburg's charm, a journey through time. Virginia's heritage, an everlasting rhyme. Bridge. Through fields and forests, rivers and streams. Virginia's landscapes, a poet's dreams. From museums to parks, a wealth untold. In Virginia's embrace, memories unfold. Chorus. Oh, Virginia, your beauty knows no bounds. From mountaintops to coastal sounds. In every corner, a story to be told. In Virginia's embrace, hearts unfold. Outro. So let us explore this enchanting land. Virginia's treasures, awaiting our hand. In every step, in every sight we see. Virginia's wonders, a gift to be free. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.